Boy, is it hot out this morning. Figure it might be time to defoliate and repot this BRT Brazilian rain tree. It's not percolating too good in the watering. We'll see what happens. I'll update you. Okay, still going at it. Little defoliation. I think I'm going to repot it too. It's really root bound bad. More to come, I guess. Okay, shot of the other side too, I guess. Before I repot it. Pretty cool BRT. More to come. Yeah, I'd say it definitely needed repotting, eh? Wow. Time for a repot. I'll be back. Now, I guess one thing that I should bring up while I'm doing this root raking out is I'm poking a hole right through there, if you could see. I've actually poked about 5 or 6 holes through there where it wasn't percolating through anymore and it was very dry underneath. Hence the couple little branches and twigs, I could see it declining. So it was time. Let's get back to work. I'll be right back. Okay, after a good rinsing, clean the pot up, get that prepped. This is the Pro Tropical that I make myself. Pumice, lava, akadama, charcoal, some fine shohin pine bark. Alright, get this going. Okay, potted up, but I wanted to show you it's all wired in. This is a little tip for you. I don't know if you could see it. Put a chopstick under your wire there, and it'll help hold that root system down without damaging it.